ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 339. In Tika we have to see the shloka. Adatvatuya etebhyah पूर्वं भुङ्क्ते विचक्षणः स भुञ्जानो न जानाति श्वगृधैर्जग्धिमात्मनः अदत्वात् यह एतेभ्यः पूर्वं अदत्वा, यह अविचक्षणः एतेभ्यः अदत्वा पूर्वं भुङ्क्ते, और एतेभ्यः पूर्वं अदत्वा भुङ्क्ते, सः भुञ्जानः श्वगृधैर् आत्मनः श्वगृधैर् आत्मनः जग्धिं न जानाति। एतेभ्यः 5 नंबर टिप्पणी। देवर्षि पितृभूत मनुष्यभ्यः, that person who is avichakshana means ajnani or does not have even this jnanam, without giving it to devata, pitru, other manushyas, bhutam, etc. Bhunkte, first he eats. पूर्वम अदत्वा भुंक्ते और अदत्वा पूर्वम भुंक्ते, अविचक्षणः। देन सह भुंजानः, he does not know, न जानाति किम, आत्मनः श्वगृधैर्जग्धिम, that he will be consumed by the dogs and giddha. Gridhi, gridha means the like big eagles. They will, he is their food. Means he will not have sadgati. If you don't fulfill your duty towards devatas, rishi, pitru, bhuta, manusya, all 5 are given. Jagdhi, jagdhim, there is a sutra, ado jagdir lyapti kiti. Ado jagdir lyapti kiti. Ada dhatu will get jagdi adesha. Means he will become food for dogs and birds. Ityadi vakyam adi shabdartha. All these. So they are, earlier first quotation was Annade Bhrunaha Marshti, he will be the Bhrunaha. And yesterday that Anena came, right? Anena Abhishansati. So Enas means Papa. Anenas means Papa Rahita. So anena is prathama, not tritiya. Anena is prathama. Avidyamano enas yasya sa anenas. Tritiya, Maharaj ji gave tritiya, but somebody sent Nachiketas. Then there will be visarga. Anena. So tena will not be there. How Nachiketas became Nachiketa? What is the sutra? Dirgha.
अत्वसन्तस्य च धातुः
Atvasantasya cha dhatu. Further. आकांक्षा पूर्वकम हेतुम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. आकांक्षा पूर्वक हेतु इज गिवन नाउ. कस्मात् पुनः पापमनो न व्यावर्तते. How he will not be turned away from sin. पापमनः कस्मात् न व्यावर्तते. मिश्रं हि एतत् सर्वेषां हि स्वं तद अप्रविभक्तं तत्प्राणिभिर् युज्यते पूज्यते. मिश्रं हि एतत् सर्वेषां. Whenever a person eats any annam, it is mishram. Mishram means sarva prani sadharanam. Sarvesham hi swam tad apravibhaktam. It is undifferentiated, undivided. In other words, when a person eats, he is eating sarva prani sadharana annam also. Therefore, he is eating papa. Therefore, he must give it to Devata, Rishi, Pitri, etc. So, how giving it to them will reduce my papa or eliminate me from sin? When you make offering to great people, so then you are not doing it for yourself, you are doing it for others. In this way, you will not incur sin. ये पचन्ति आत्म कारणात् ते पापाः अघम भुंजते. So atma karanat you should not have. Then there is no papa. Tad, that's why it is in Bhashya it is given tad apravibhaktam tad pranibhir bhujyate. All prani, all living beings, they enjoy apravibhaktam annam. सर्वभोज्यत्वाद एव यो मुखे प्रक्षिप्यमाणो अपि ग्रासः परस्य पीड़ा करो दृश्यते ममेदम स्यात् इति हि सर्वेषां तत्र आशा प्रतिबद्धा. सर्वभोज्यत्वाद, that food that I am going to consume, actually everybody has their eyes on it. So when I put it in my mouth, yo mukhe prakshipyamano grasah. Grasa means one morsel of food. Parasya pida karo drishya. Everybody, it hurts them. Now you imagine, we are talking about the simplest thing called food that you are eating. That also others feel, no, this is not, I also have right on this. Parasya pida karo drishyate. How? Mama idam sya. This is mine. Iti hi sarvesham tatra asha pratibadha. Everybody has asha. Bhashyakar's words. Sarvesham asha tatra. Everybody's desires are tied to that. This is mine also. And in Laukika, something is to be given, so many people are already present. See in Tika. सर्वभोज्यत्वं साधयति यो मुख इति मुखे प्रक्षिप्यमाण परस्य मीन्स परस्य पीड़ा कर स्व मार्जारा देहे इवन डॉग्स एंड कैट्स थिंक दिस इज माय फूड ही इज ईटिंग अदर मनुष्य तो व्हाट विल दे थिंक and here when we have bhandara and all people are sitting and monkeys are going here there they are wondering when are these people going to get up our food they are and if they take longer they say are my food will be over they think it is theirs only सर्वेषां तत्र आशा प्रतिबद्धा पीड़ा करत्वे हेतुम आह मम इदं स्यात् प्राग उक्त दृष्टिफलम आचष्टे so then what is the solution prag ukti earlier prag ukta drishti what was said earlier what is the phalam of that तस्मात् न परम अपीडयित्वा ग्रसितुम अपि शक्यते परम अपीडयित्वा ग्रसितुम अपि न शक्यते to somebody else without giving any pida even grasanam is not possible grasitum api na shakyate in other words everybody who eats or enjoys anything, somebody or the other will have some pain. So you have to make sure that you give it to others. And in our plate also we'll, in the olden days, they used to put some 3 morsels of food outside. And before that, they'll give to crow, at the end, they will give to cow, or whoever is available. Here in ashram, every day cows are waiting. As soon as the evening food is over, they give whatever is left over and cows are happily enjoying. टीका साधारणम अन्नम असाधारणी कुर्वाणस्य पापा निवृत्तिरित्यत्र हेत्वंतरम आह साधारणम अन्नम असाधारणी kurvanasya that food which is sadharanam if you make it asadharani kurvanasya papa anivritti that person will not have papa nivritti what is the pramanam so shloka is quoted here smriti shloka dushkrutam hi manushyaana मन्नमाश्रित्य तिष्ठते यो हि यस्यान्नमश्नाति सतस्याश्नाति किल्बिषम् तिष्ठते इस छांदस प्रयोग परस्मै पद धातु दुष्कृतम मीन्स पापम मनुष्याणाम अन्नम आश्रित्य तिष्ठते where does the papa of a person stay in his annam so when he gives that annam to others means he is distributing his papa and the one who is consuming yo hi yasya annam ashnati satasya kilbisham ashnati the one who eats their food somebody's food means he is eating their sin that's why annadanam people do this is shuddhikaram टीका यदा हि मनुष्याणां दुष्कृतम् अन्नम् आश्रित्य तिष्ठति तदा तद असाधारणीकुर्वतो महत्तरं पापं भवति इत्यर्थः। यदा हि मनुष्याणां दुष्कृतम् अन्नम् आश्रित्य तिष्ठति, दि दुष्कृतम् stays in manushya annam ashritya tada tad asadharani kurvato, then this annam which has been made asadharani kura asadharanam annam asadharani kurvatah purushasya mahattaram papam bhavati, and that purusha, for that person it will become great sin. Means that which is available to all and you don't share it with all, just keep it to yourself. So it is sadharanam annam, you are making asadharana only for yourself. This is mahattaram papam. Ityadi smaranad. Here this topic is over. Now Purva Paksha in the form of Bhartru Prapancha comes here. So you can see this is in this set of mantras, third time Bhartru Prapancha has come. There is a difference in understanding there. एकमस्य इत्यादि मंत्र ब्राह्मणयोः स्वपक्षम उक्त्वा भर्तृ प्रपंच पक्षम आह। एकमस्य इत्यादि मंत्र ब्राह्मणयोः स्वपक्षम उक्त्वा, एकम अन्नम, एकमस्य अन्नम, this one annam in the, which is sarva sadharanam. So mantra and brahmana, what was the understanding given in the mantra? Yad adyate tad annam sarvaihi, that which is consumed by all, this is the one annam. That was swapaksham, that is given. Now Bhartru Prapancha Paksha is given. Bhartru Prapancha is another Tikakar who was there before Bhashyakara, and his matam is more like Vishishta Advaita of the modern understanding. Grihina Vaishwadevakhyam annam yad ahani ahani nirupyata iti kechit. Grihina means by grahastha. That annam which is consumed is called Vaishwadevam. Vaishwadevakhyam annam yad ahani ahani nirupyate. So in Agni, whatever this annam is given by a grahastha, that's why grihina. Because this vanaprasthi may not do, sannyasi definitely will not do, brahmachari may not do, because it is in Agni. So he is also not going to do. This offering is done by grahastha. This annam is called Vaishwadeva. According to Bhartru Prapancha, this one annam is called Vaishwadeva annam. Yad ahani ahani. So in Tika, yad annam grihina prati aham agnau nirvartyate. Vaishwadevakyam nirvartyate. Tat sadharanam iti Bhartru Prapanchair uktam ityartha. Bhartru Prapancha says that sadharanam annam, ekam sadharanam. He says this is what a grahastha offers into Agni every day. That is Vaishwadeva. Its name is Vaishwadeva Annam. That Annam is the Sadharanam Annam. Iti Bhartru Prapanchair Uktam ityartha. Sadharana pada anupapattehe na yuktam idam vyakhyanam iti dushayati. Siddhanti says this is not Sadharanam Annam. This is very specific. And therefore, sadharana pada is not appropriate there. Sadharana pada anupapattehe. Anupapannatvat. Na yuktam idam vyakhyanam. This vyakhyanam is not correct. Tanna. Sarvabhoktru sadharanatvam vaishwadevakya देवाख्यस्य अन्नस्य न सर्व प्राणभृत भुज्यमान अन्नवत प्रत्यक्षम. Siddhanti says this is not correct. Why? सर्वभोक्तृ साधारणत्वम वैश्वदेवाख्यस्य अन्नस्य न. सर्वभोक्तृ साधारणत्वम is not there for वैश्वदेव अन्न. अन्नस्य न सर्व प्राणभृत भुज्यमान अन्नवत प्रत्यक्षम. सर्व प्राणभृत भुज्य anna, that which is consumed by all. Sarva pranabhrit, yesterday also this shabda came. Sarva pranam bibharti iti sarva pranabhrit. That annam which is pratyaksham. Vaishwadeva is not pratyaksha. It is not a sthula vastu. So na pratyaksham. Tika. वैश्वदेवस्य साधारणत्वम अप्रामाणिकम इति उक्तम. वैश्वदेव is sadharanam. Who said? Bhartru Prapancha. And what is being said now here? Ida pramanikam. Iti uktam. Idanim tasya apratyakshत्वात् idama paramarshascha न युक्तिमान इत्याह. तस्य अप्रत्यक्षत्वात्, because it is अप्रत्यक्ष. अप्रत्यक्षत्वात् तस्य इदमा परामर्श न युक्तिमान. idama paramarsha. So further it's given. Napi yad idam adyate. Because in the mantra what is said? What is that ekam annam? Yad idam adyate. Idam. So idama paramarsha is for only that thing which is pratyaksha. Vaishwadevakya is adrishta. It is not pratyaksha. And only grahastha will do, nobody other, like other, see in Bhashya it is given, other Pashu Pakshi, where they, it is not Saman, Sadharanam Annam for them. Napi yad idam adyata iti tad vishayam vachanam anukulam. Idam adyate, this tad vishayam vachanam for Vaishwadeva is not anukulam, no anukulam. इतश्च साधारण शब्देन सर्व प्राणी अन्नम ग्राह्यम इत्याह. Then somebody may say, okay, then sadharana means not sarva prani sadharana. Sadharana is only for some people, grahastha. He says, no, sadharana shabdena sarva prani annam grahyam. For this reason also, itascha. Because in Bhashya, sarva prana bhrit भुज्यमान अन्न अंतपातित्वाच्च वैश्वदेवाख्यस्य युक्तम स्वचांडालाद्याद्यस्य अन्नस्य ग्रहणम वैश्वदेव व्यतिरेकेणापि स्वचांडालाद्याद्यान्न दर्शनात् तत्र युक्तम यदिदम अद्यत इति वचनम. So where this lakshana will not go, that he says sarva prana bhrut भुज्यमान अन्न अंतपातित्वाच्च. सर्व प्राणी भी भुज्यते. सर्व प्राणभृत भुज्यमान अन्न अंतपातित्वात्. It falls in that वैश्वदेवाख्यस्य युक्तम श्वचांडालादि आद्यस्य अन्नस्य. Chandala also, and Shwa means dog. Even dog and Chandala, what they consume, that will become Sarva Pranabhrit Bhujyamanam Annam. Shwa Chandaladi Adyasya Annasya. Adya means that which is consumed, Khadya. अद धातु ण्यत् प्रत्यय will make it adya. Grahanam. So in that Vaishwadeva Vyatirekenapi Shwa Chandaladi Adya Anna Darshanat. Vaishwadeva Vyatirekenapi Shwa Chandala, they are going to eat something which is other than Vaishwadeva. Vaishwadeva Vyatirekenapi Shwa Chandaladi Adya Anna Darshanat. So therefore, that food which is sarva prana bhrit, only there you can use the word yad idam adyate. And Vaishwadeva does not qualify for idam. Therefore, yad idam adyate of the mantra will not work for Vaishwadeva. Is it clear? Hmm. No, Vaishwadeva, what he is referring to is the punya which is accrued through this. Vaishwadeva actually is a type of devata. So what you are giving is not Vaishwadeva Annam. The one who is going to receive is not going to receive this. What they are going to receive is the Sukshma part of this only. Like whatever we offer in Agni, that they will not get. And Shwa Chandaladi, their Annam is different. They don't eat this Vaishwadeva. टीका वैश्वदेव ग्रहे अपि इतर ग्रह स्यात् इति चेत नेत्याः. If you say take Vaishwagraha, other graha also will be there. Say no, that you have to take which is for all. Yattu parapakshe yadidam adyate iti vacho na anukulam iti tanna asmat pakshe asti ityaha. So then somebody says in your paksha also yadidam adyate, how it is appropriate? He says in our paksha that vachanam is anukulam. It is not ananukulam. यद इदम अद्यते इति वचो न अनुकूलम पूर्व पक्षी विल से पर पक्षे तन्न अस्मत् पक्षे अस्ति इन आवर पक्षे इट इज देयर तत्र युक्तम यदिदम अद्यते इति वचनम प्रत्यक्षम साधारण अन्नम सप्तम्य अर्थः तत्र दैट तत्र मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष साधारण अन्नम इज द सप्तमी विपक्षे दोषम आह यदि ही तन्न गृह्यत साधारण शब्देन. Okay, I'll explain some other thing before we proceed on this. Somebody will say, what is this Saptanna and then Sadharamanna, and then we are doing this analysis. And then you say Bhartru Prapancha says this and we don't accept this. What do I have to do with all this? What is Vaishwadeva and all these things? So our main aparadha is I have misunderstood myself. Purusha Parad Malinadishana. In Sankshep Shariraka, this shloka was there. My main mistake is I have forgotten I am Brahma. Now somehow I have to reach there. Reach there means know this truth. Shastra is going to show this. No Laukik person or Laukik Varta is going to remind either that I am Brahma or somebody is Brahma. Laukik discussion, Laukika Chintanam will only remind me this is another person, that is another person, there is dosha in this, there is raga in this, there is dvesha in this, something or the other. Now, my objective is not to get stuck in all this and not to forget what is my goal. So, Shastriya samskaras are the only way. Now, in that, our acharyas have said you have to do Prasthanatraya Dashopanishad. This is Mukhya. Until I get so much Vairagya from everything that I am ready only for Tat Chintanam, Tat Kathanam, Anyonyam, only Tat means Brahma, Prabodhanam. Not Anya, Anya Chintanam, Anya Kathanam, Anyonyam, Anya Prabodhanam. Not that. Etadeka Paratvam, then it is Brahma Abhyasa. So until it keeps happening, naturally, I have to go through this Shastra Adhyana. This is the only method. Somebody may say, okay, I will do Japa, Parayana, something else. How much you will do? So much you will have to do until you get Vairagya from everything else. That is the main thing. So, in between all these Shastra Adhyanam, such topics will come where we will feel this has nothing to do with what is my objective. But if I don't have that kind of Vairagya, that it's not that if I don't do this, right now I may study something else. But then after 2 hours or 1 hour, I'll say, okay, now let me do some Laukika thing. So if I am not capable of staying away from Laukika Chintanam, Laukika Kathanam, etc., this is the only path for me. So even if in between some Bhartru Prapancha and some Vaishwadeva and something comes, we have to understand that all this is my Shraddha in Bhashyakara, my ability to do this kind of Chintanam will increase. And eventually, the same, in the next section, they'll suddenly talk about Brahma Vidya. Means we are not studying Vedas, we are studying only Upanishad. In between, some Upasana, some Karma Prakarana comes. So we should not feel that where is this going? All I want is Brahma. So all you want is Brahma. So you will have to take care of cow so much, then only cow will give milk. You can't say just give me milk. I don't want cow. Without cow, there is no milk. यदि हि तन्न गृह्येत साधारण शब्देन पित्रा असृष्टत्व अविनियुक्तत्वे तस्य प्रसज्येयाताम् यदि हि तन्न गृह्येत if you don't take the साधारण अन्न 1 number टिप्पणी सर्व प्राणी साधारणम अन्नम if you don't take sorry not that 5 number टिप्पणी साधारण शब्देन सर्व प्राणिभिः अद्यमान अन्नस्य अपरिग्रहे if you don't take sarva prani sadharana annam, then what will happen? Pitra means by that Jagat Pita. So this Pitra, another thing you should note. In Tika, in Hindi translation, they have given Kshetrajna Shabda. Pita means Prajapati is Kshetrajna. Kshetrajna here doesn't mean Shuddha Brahma. Huh? Kshetrajna means Kshetram Janati iti Kshetrajna. In this way. So the one who is having avidya as its upadhi, then only all this srishti adi will be there. In this way, you should understand. Pitra asrishtatva aviniyuktatve. So that Jagat Pita, he will have the dosha of asrishtatva and aviniyuktatva. Either he did not create or he did not distribute properly. सृष्टि अभाव और विनियोग अभाव तस्य प्रसज्ये याताम द्विवचनम. टीका. प्रसंगस्य इष्टत्वम निराचष्टे. Somebody may say ishtapati, how there is सृष्टि and there is viniyog also. So you cannot say they are not there. इष्यते ही तत् सृष्टत्वम तद विनियुक्तत्वम च सर्वस्य अन्नजातस्य. सृष्टत्वम विनियुक्तत्वम is already there. सर्वस्य अन्नजातस्य इष्यते. श्येनादि तुल्यत्वम तस्य व्यावर्तयति, and it is not like a श्येन याग which is निषिद्ध. न च वैश्वदेवाख्यम शास्त्रोक्तम कर्म कुर्वतः पाप्मनो अविनिवृत्तिर्युक्ता. वैश्वदेवाख्यम शास्त्रोक्तम कर्म. वैश्वदेवाख्य कर्म is शास्त्रोक्त, and शास्त्रोक्तम कर्म कुर्वतः पापमनः अविनिवृत्ति ही न युक्ता. Means if somebody who does Vaishvadevakhya karma, then papmana vinivritti is there. And also न च तस्य प्रतिषेधो अस्ति. श्येन याग is pratishiddha. Still people do it out of so much irsha for another person. अनिषिद्धस्यापि तस्य स्वभाव जुगुप्सितत्वात् तद अनुष्ठायिनः पाप अनिवृत्ति ही इति आशंक्या. Even if it is not निषिद्ध, it is जुगुप्सित. Somebody will say स्वभाव जुगुप्सितत्वात् तद अनुष्ठायिनः पाप अनिवृत्ति ही. Then that person will not have पाप निवृत्ति इति आशंक्याः. न च तस्य प्रतिषेधो अस्ति. It is not प्रतिषिद्ध. And न च मत्स्य बंधनादि कर्मवत् स्वभाव जुगुप्सितम एतत् शिष्ट निर्वर्त्यत्वात् अकरणे च प्रत्यवाय श्रवणात् इतरत्र च प्रत्यवाय उपपत्तेः. मत्स्य बंधन कर्म is जुगुप्सितम. Catching fish is jugupsita karma. One should not do. So many karmas it is said we should not do. So that's why you see in all cities certain karmas certain people will not do, only other people will do. मत्स्य बंधनादि कर्मवत् स्वभाव जुगुप्सितम एतत् शिष्ट निर्वर्त्यत्वात्. So मत्स्य बंधन is jugupsita. Vaishwadeva is not like that. And Shishta Purushas, they perform. And Akarane Pratyavaya is also Shravanat. If you don't do, there is Pratyavaya. So Grahasthas have to do it. Ahani. Itaratra cha Pratyavaya upapattehe. Otherwise, there is Pratyavaya. In Tika, सर्वसाधारण अवश्यम याति तिर्यक्त्वम जग्ध्वा चैवा हुतम हविः. अवश्यम याति तिर्यक्त्वम जग्ध्वा च एव आहुतम हविः. What is offered in the havi? Jagdva again, ado jagdir lyapiti kiti. If that is consumed, then he will become animal. Avashyam tiryatvam yati. अहुतम अहुतम हवि जग्ध्वा च एव अहुतम हवि means when the offering is not made and you eat, all this is in the same line. Earlier also it was said iti akarane ahutam it should be, not because this is with respect to karma. So ahutam na hutam iti ahutam havihi yada na hutam and then you consume other food, then तिर्यक्त्वम अवश्यम याति. Some smriti is quoted. इति अकारणे वैश्वदेवस्य प्रत्यवाय श्रवणाच्च तदनुष्ठायिनो न पाप्मलेशो अस्ति इत्याह. अकारणे च प्रत्यवाय उपपत्ते. One more line we'll see. सर्वसाधारण अन्नग्रहे तु तत्परस्य निंदावचनम उपपद्यते तेन तदेव ग्राह्यम. सर्वसाधारण अन्नग्रहे तु तत्परस्य निंदावचनम उपपद्यते. सर्वसाधारण अन्न ग्रहणे तत्परस्य निंदावचनम तत्परस्य स्वशरीर स्थिति अर्थम अन्न उपभोग प्रधानस्य, the one who has only स्वशरीर स्थिति अन्न प्रधान, for that ninda is given. How we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.